Hey y'all, it's Bob. Today I decided to put a dash cam on. I thought about putting one mounted right on the dash itself, but I decided to see about sticking one up on the top part of the windshield first. See how that works out. See if I can tolerate that. Anyway, in order to do that, I got this guy from Extreme Terrain. And basically, on your rear view mirror, if you have the auto dimming mirror, and good Lord knows what else they've got plugged into that mirror up there. Government's probably listening to everything I say. There's a splitter so that you can put this in the plug that plugs in your mirror plugs into, and then it splits it so you can plug your camera or whatever device you put up there at the top near the rear view mirror. Anyway, you get the idea. Crap. So there it is. Of course, I got a Ziploc bag and I'm going to have to set the camera down. Hold on. Okay, I got it out. So that's all it is. Ain't much to it. Connects all your normal wires running into your rear view mirror. And then there's your USB outlet. It comes with 3 different wires to plug into whatever device you put up there, whether it be a dash cam or something else. And I think those are the 3 most widely used connections. So it's bound to be the right one, and they're short little wires, so you don't have a bunch of wire hanging down up there. Of course, I'll probably use a zip tie to clean it up a little bit further so it's not hanging down. There's not much to it. I'm going to install it and then just take a picture of my install and then call this one good. I don't think I really need to explain the installation of a dash cam. This one's, I've got it out and looked at it, but this one looks like a pretty good one. Got it off Amazon. Yeah, I think there are 6 of one, half dozen other these days. They're all pretty good cameras. So I'm going to hit pause and I'm going to plug that in and then show you the results. Okay, so as you can see, I pulled the plug out of the back of the mirror, put the splitter in there, plugged that in so it's all plugged back in. That's not bad right there. That's about what it looked like before, just the wire coming down. This has what do you call it, 3M tape on it, which it looks like I can just stick that right here. So, that'll keep that up out of the way. And other than that, this wire just pushed back. You can't hardly see it because it's a little too dark, but it just pushed back, and I don't really have to do anything to clean that up. It's oh, sorry about it being out of focus. I did that. It basically, except for the big plug, it basically looks like what was already there. It's not hanging down. And like I said, I'll stick that up. So yeah, so maybe I'll just hit pause, put the camera in, y'all can see the final outcome of it. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. And if the camera does something stupid and shuts off on me and I can't continue, well, we'll follow up on another day. Well, there's more moving parts here than I anticipated. I haven't even figured out what that's for yet. It's probably for prying it off when you're done. This little guy, so there's my hand. I guess I probably have an average size hand, so give you an idea how big that is. Looks like a pretty good one. It comes with a suction cup type mount for your windshield. It also comes with a 3M tape mount, which I'm thinking about. Maybe that's the way I'm going to go, because I've seen too many of these suction cups fall off windshields in the past. It comes with a mile of wire, which I'm not going to have to use because I got these little short wires from that splitter. Let's see, it's got again, won't need this because it'll be getting power off that splitter, but it's got a cigarette lighter USB, a bunch of stickies. Again, my wire is going to be so short, but if you had to run that wire, they've got you covered for being able to stick your wire up out of the way. Of course, cleaning pads. And I got to figure out what exactly these guys are for. But it says electrostatic film for the 3M sticky mount. So I got to figure out how to use that. Can't hardly see it. Sorry about that. I think it's for putting it up and then being able to get it off in the future. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing. And wish me luck. Like I say, we got a lot of moving parts here. Y'all take it easy.